Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20p and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find users and accounts. Now here, as you can see, we've got our previously added Google account. So let me first of all remove it. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, confirm it with tapping on OK, and we have to verify that we are trying to remove the account. And as you can see, it will immediately disappear. If you'd like to add the account, simply tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and again confirm everything with your screen lock. So here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of the backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.